Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to accept friend request on Facebook. So first, you need to open the Facebook application and log into your specific account. Tap on the friends icon in the top left corner of your screen, that is between home and the messenger icon. And here under friends, you'll get the option of friend request section. And if you tap on see all, you'll get the list of people that have sent you friend request on Facebook. And you'll get two different options of confirm and delete. If you want to accept them as a friend and add them to your Facebook, you can tap on confirm, which is highlighted in blue color. And if not, you can also choose to delete it or leave it as it. And if you tap on their profile, you'll be able to view their profile. And you'll also be able to see mutual friends and other posts if their profile is not locked. And then you can decide whether to confirm or delete. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.